competitive efficiency mainly hinges on dynamic performance. This machine features 1.5 G acceleration and 7 Hz low-pass frequency. Not only fast speed, but also high stability. In addition, this machine also adopts side-attached bed to offer high bearing capacity, as thus, tube loading becomes effortless. The inbuilt laser generator makes repeat disassembly and assembly unnecessary, just for instant production after simple installation. Its full-stroke precision chucks can clamp less than or equal to 170 millimeters diameter or side length tube easily. Using leak-proof structure, the chucks will work for a long time. When it comes to rear chuck, air blowing is available to reduce failure rate and extend service life of the chuck, equipped with vari-pitch or follow-up supports. The machine can adapt to pipes of different diameters by solving the issue of tube swinging at fast speed. As a result, small pipes are cut stably and long tubes keep indeformable. Precision remains stable throughout. Cost has always been a key concern for enterprises. S2 always stands out in short tailing, only 50 millimeters at most, reducing tube waste to a great extent. In order to make all complicated operations easier, S2 has simplified everything by intelligence. As for semi-automatic loading system, most tubes can be loaded in bundles, like round, square, rectangular tubes, angled channel steels, as well as I-beam. Of course, fully automatic loading system is also available to adapt to different production lines flexibly. In short, S2 has redefined tube cutting criteria in terms of efficiency, precision, and costs. With it, you will feel more at ease when facing batch production and customization needs.